Hello, in this video we're going to cover how to use and include a navbar, a complete navbar on our site. So in the last video we learned how to use links as a navbar, but now we will include a complete navbar on our site, Bootstrap site. So if we go down here, if we look for navbar in components in Bootstrap 5, we see that we have this complete navbar with even including a search inbox here. And we also have a navbar that includes a logo. So a lot of people ask me how to include a nice logo perfectly included on a navbar, and we're going to show you how to do that. So let's go and use this first one with this search inbox. Let's copy this. Let's go to our body section and see how this looks on our, and there it is. So we have all this complete navbar with the search bar in here. Obviously we can short this with CSS, but it goes all the way through the whole website page. Now we can also, let's go down here and see if we wanted to include a navbar with a logo. Let's save this, and there it is. Obviously we don't have a logo here image because we would have to include the image in here in the image source. Okay, this goes to another file that we don't have on our computer. Now obviously we have this navbar, which is important component. You can try and use other multiple components that you have under components in Bootstrap documentation. Each one of these can be very useful for your projects, and you can use their source code and include it easily on your website or project. Okay, so that's all, and see you guys later. Bye bye.